Hey everyone, welcome to the Hunt Fish Ride Kitchen. Today we are going to have rabbit. So I've got 3 rabbits here. I've got the back straps. And legs. So I'm going to debone the leg meat because I am going to deep fry this meat after coating it, and I want it all to take about the same amount of time to fry. So I'll catch back up to you as soon as I've got these legs deboned. Alright, just some plain old regular vegetable oil. Okay, so all the meat right here on the plate. That's enough for, well, it's enough for me. It should be enough for 2 people. And what do we have here? This is half regular flour and half the secret ingredient, which is Zatarain's lemon pepper fish fry, New Orleans style. And you know what New Orleans style means? Means it's got a little bit of kick. Not too bad, but just a little bit. So I'm going to turn on the oil. Make sure that it has a chance to heat up. Mix up my flour and fish batter. Did I give you a good enough look at that with my fingers out of the way? I'm gonna have to get some more of this. I love using this on my venison rib strip bacon that I make. Get another plate. So the meat has been thoroughly washed. As you can see, it doesn't put much of a coating on there. Just the meat, no egg, no milk. And obviously, rabbit meat is very healthy, very low in fat. And you will not see me directly eating this today just because I'm not going to be on camera. I haven't shaved for a couple of days, or a few days. It was lunchtime. I was getting very hungry. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this video today or not. I was working on another video. I figured I would do the rabbit today. And I didn't have time to get all respectable, presentable. All right, so everything's breaded. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick and test the oil. All right, so the drop of water that I put in my pot started popping. So I'm gonna let it heat up a little bit more for the big pieces, but I'm gonna throw in a couple little ones just for taste testing. I like having my splash guard. Basically, if you've got enough oil in the pot, whether it's fish, rabbit, venison, not too many people deep fry venison, but if you've ever heard of the dish called Chislic, Chislic is deep fried beef cubes. So people in the Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, I think Wisconsin does it too. People do deep fry bits of beef and or venison. So whether it's fish, rabbit, venison, if the oil is deep enough for whatever it is you are deep frying, once it floats, odds are it is done. That's a good starting point. And you can taste test the first one to float, and if it's not done to your liking, just leave it in a little bit longer. I'm going to get the rest of these in. All right, down the hatch. Little deep fried nuggets of goodness. So you can see how much more vigorously that oil is frying those pieces than it was 30 seconds ago. Obviously, if you've deep fried much, you know that when you put several large pieces of meat into the oil at temperature, well, I'm not using a thermometer. I'm just, like I said, I use the water test. It's going to cool the overall temperature of that kettle of oil. See how much that cooled down. All right, so I am not going to make you sit there and watch me fry up the rest of that. The last bit has just finished frying. So there's I think most of these are leg. Here are the back straps. Down the hatch she goes. And the back straps are obviously the best part. If you could see me when I eat these, like I said, I'm not shaved or any of that good stuff. I mean, it's not like I look hideous. I just don't want to be on camera unshaved. If you could see me, you'd see what my wife says. I look like a cat when I enjoy food because my eyes go closed when I make that noise. So, cottontail rabbit. There's tons of them around. You should go out and get some because they are absolutely delicious. All right, I'll cut into one of these other just to show you. Let's call it a rear end steak. You see that? Nothing red, like my rabbit done medium well, but I guess that's where we'll end it. With me stuffing my face and you looking at a delicious chunk of battered, deep fried rabbit. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Help it grow. And we will see you on the next one.